Welcome to our product channel, Cosmic Tech Valley. Product details: name. DEWALT DWS779 12 inches sliding compound miter saw with DEWALT DW3128 series 2012-inch 80-tooth 8 dB thin kerf cross-cutting miter saw blade with 1-inch arbor. Product details: name. 1. Your purchase includes one DEWALT DWS779 sliding compound cord miter saw, 12-inch, carbide blade, 1 blade wrench, 1 dust bag, and 1 vertical material clamp. 2. Tool dimensions: 17 inches HX 24.75 inches L. Tool weight: 56 pounds. Maximum cutting thickness: 6.75 inch. 3. Other specifications: 15 amps, 12 inches blade diameter, 5/8 of an inch or 1-inch arbor size. 3,800 RPM motor. Type of milter saw, slide. 4. Exclusive back fence design: cuts up to 2x16 dimensional lumber at 90° and 2x12 at 45°. Mylar saw does not come with LED, can be added, nor laser guide. 5. Super efficient dust collection system: captures over 75% of dust generated. 6. Backed by DEWALT's 3-year limited warranty. DEWALT 12 inches sliding compound miter saw. The DEWALT DWS779 sliding compound miter saw is precision at its toughest, delivering accuracy and capacity for everyday job site use. This miter saw is designed with a powerful 15-amp, 3,800 RPM motor that delivers extended power and durability. Tall sliding fences support 7.5 an inch of crown nested and up to 2x14 dimensional lumbers at 90° and 2x10 at 45°. A camlock miter handle with detent override.